Welcome. Hey Faisal, are you here? Be active or you will be removed. Inactive members are removed each 8 days. Aduh, Faisal, kamu kemana saja seminggu ini? Ini derivative word of the day. Ajar nomina teach or teaching. Ajari verba plus objek teach. Ajaran nomina teachings. Belajar verba learn. Pelajar nomina student or learner. Pelajaran nomina lesson. Pengajar nomina teacher or preacher. Pengajaran nomina teaching or lesson. Pembelajaran nomina learning, lesson, or teaching. Mengajar verba teach or preach. Mempelajari verba study or learn. Mengajari verba plus objek teach. Diajar verba pasif taught. Diajari verba pasif plus objek being taught. Selamat malam.
Mendesak, dihadapi, mengacu, kura, disebabkan, bakar, penggundulan, hutan, kegiatan, melapaskan, memerangkap, pemansan, neknea, air, serta. Atau sedikitnya ketika sedang ngobrol suatu konteks kami berpikir pada arah yang sama. Ajar, teach, teaching. Ajari, teach, ajaran, teaching. Belajar, learn. Belajar, student. Pelajaran, lessons. Pengajar, teacher. Pengajaran, teaching. Lesson, pembelajaran, learning, lessons, teaching. Mengajar, teach, preach. Mempelajari, study, learn. Mengajari, teach. Diajar, taught. Diajari, being taught.
Oh, gue. Okay, nice.